Hi there, Gabriela here. I would like to talk about another common question they always ask. It's about how many links or how I can change the number of links inside of an article. Okay, um, you go into the new campaign button, then you need to access to the advanced mode. Right click, remember, and click in here, and then when you have the advanced mode on, okay, in that moment you will see this part here. In here is where you can change the number of links of the article in that moment. Supposed to I usually put more than one, three or four if I'm putting like 10 or 15 URLs on this monetize URL. Sometimes I add my own content, and in my own content I usually put already the links and the anchor text. That means I don't need any link. That's why I can put in here. Or still you can use a random number, but usually I put it myself. Okay, thank you, bye.